You can get a look at what you'll see on the Alcatraz tour by visiting the Alcatraz slideshow. The National Park Service schedules activities to help you learn about Alcatraz Island, including lectures and special tours. The schedule board at the ferry landing gives the times. The only guided tour is the audio tour, but you can also pick up a self-guided tour book near the boat dock. Barracks from Alcatraz Island stint as a military base, the cell house, lighthouse, and a few others remain. Many of the Alcatraz Island prison buildings are gone. Some burned during the American Indian Alcatraz occupation in the 1960s. The guards' residences, deteriorated beyond repair, were torn down in the 1970s. If the hospital area is open during your visit, don't miss it. It's a fascinating look at medical care during the prison's heyday. To see 2 San Francisco Bay Islands in one day, take the Alcatraz and Angel Island tour, which will also take you to Angel Island.